Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Honda Pilot door panel. First, gather your tools, including a trim removal tool and a Phillips head screwdriver. Begin by locating and removing all visible screws, often found in the armrest, door pull, or behind small covers. Next, gently use your trim tool to pry off any trim pieces that might be concealing additional fasteners. Take your time to avoid scratching the plastic. Once the screws and trim are off, you'll need to disconnect the electrical components. Carefully unclip all electrical connectors for the window switches, door locks, and any other modules. Next, detach the door handle and lock cables. These usually have a small clip or lever that needs to be released. Make sure all wires and cables are completely free from the panel before proceeding to the next step. With all connections detached, it's time to remove the main panel. Use your trim tool to gently pry around the edges of the door panel, releasing the plastic clips that hold it to the door frame. Once all clips are free, lift the entire panel straight upwards to clear the window channel. Be careful not to force it. Find a safe, clean place to set the panel down to avoid any scratches or damage. To reinstall the door panel, reverse the removal steps. First, align the panel with the window channel and carefully push it into place, ensuring all plastic clips engage properly. Next, reconnect all electrical connectors and securely attach the door handle and lock cables. Finally, replace all the screws you removed and snap the trim pieces back into their original positions. Double-check everything for proper function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.